Butter butter is the name of the dance we do down Johannesburg way.
Folks, we've got to be a little clandestine about this. We're in lockdown, okay? It's basically prohibition. We can't get any alcohol. So I've got a few tips for you. And I know what you folks are asking. I know what you're... Dave, what are you doing, bro? I'll tell you what I'm doing. I've got my bucket, I've got my sanitizer, I've got my blom. Okay, we are going to be making ginger beer. That's right, my friend. Ginger beer. Ons gaan hom gis. Now, I have researched ginger beer extensively over the last couple of days because I'm so afraid these bottles are going to explode in my fridge and kill me and my dog. So I've been making many phone calls. I have been discussing ginger beer, gemmerbier, at length with many people, and I think I've got to a winner. So just bear with me. Have a look at this. There's a few sort of surprises here and there as well, but I think we're onto something here. Kevin McCullum, this one's for you, my boy. Okay, hang in there. Dishwasher's disconnecting as well. Let me just switch the lights on so we can see what's going on. Okay, I'm back. Right, the important things. Very, very important. Just make sure that the stuff that you're using, the bottles, everything that you're using has been sanitized and cleaned, okay? Because anything that can go wrong here, okay, things are going to explode, shit's going to go down, okay? So just be careful with it. So my bucket for my oornag gemmerbier, so it's got a stand, is clean and it's sanitized and it's ready. I'm going to put that one side. Okay, sanitizer done. Let's just talk about the ingredients. Some good quality water. Right, as I said, discussed this extensively with lots of people. I'll put the recipe up for you guys. So just to run through this very quickly. So I've got, the first thing that I've got is a bit of chili, because I like that burn in the back of the throat. I've got some real ginger. I've also got powdered ginger, white sugar and brown sugar. The flavor of the brown sugar and also the coloring of the brown sugar I find is quite lekker. Not I find, I've never done this before, I'm talking shit. Anyway, crème tartare or crème tart. There, now there's a lekker Afrikaans, crème tart. Okay, cream of tartar or tartaric acid, it's the same thing apparently. We've got instant yeast and we've got rusenkies. Okay, now the big thing with the rusenkies is, they say, these fucking hardy guys, let me just tell you. Boy. Okay, so the rusenkies that they say, when you put it into the bucket overnight, when the rusenkies are floating, then you know you've got it. So but basically, I'm also just going to leave it for 24 hours in the bucket, in the emmer, for 24 ure. And then we'll strain it into the bottles. Okay, so, now, what we're going to do is we're not going to warm all the water. Obviously, we need a little bit of heat. We need a little bit of heat for the to dissolve the sugar and also to activate the yeast. Okay. We can even put this in that dishwasher trick thing that I did yesterday. Okay, just overnight, so this is lekker. Okay, so I've to put about 225 mils. I'll just add a splash more, just a splash more water into that. I'm so excited about this, I tell you. Okay, so the water is ready. All right, into that we're going to add our sugar. Okay, so what we're doing now is we're just dissolving the sugar. Don't need it to boil, we're just dissolving the sugar. The ginger that I've grated, that goes in, nice little flavour there. Okay, we're just going to add about sorry Alex, jeez, sorry about that. We're going to add 15 grams of ginger powder or powdered ginger. Okay, and we're going in with the raisins. Okay, The cream of tartar and the yeast we're going to add afterwards. We just want all this to dissolve nicely first. What I'm also going to put in is my chili with the pips. Yeah, we are living dangerously because we're in lockdown. With the pips. Right. Cut that in chunks. Terry, this one's also for you. You and Kevin McCullum. That's quite hot, that. Maybe underestimated that. Okay, just stir that all in. Okay, look at that. Right. So we're just going to keep that going until that sugar has dissolved. We don't want to boil it, we just want to dissolve the sugar. Then what we'll do is we'll add the other water, the cold water. Okay, and then it's already good. We're going to add the other water. That will probably bring it to a lukewarm sort of temperature. Then we add the yeast and the cream of tartar. Okay, and then what we do is we pop it into our bucket that we've got ready here, and we leave it overnight. I'm going to put it in the dishwasher because it's a nice temperature in there. I'm going to let it gis lekker. Okay. Okay guys, so what we got here now is it's now dissolved nicely. Putting in our water. So I was also trying to figure out, okay, so how much alcohol, you know, like can you actually, like, what is the alcohol content of this stuff? But like, it's obviously it's yeast and sugar and there's heat involved, so there's fermentation, so there's got to be a bit of alcohol, and the raisins explode. Not fuck, but I mean, you know what I mean. Anyway, it's less than a light beer, which is quite disappointing really. But anyway, it is what it is. So let's just the perfect temperature. In with your cream of tartar and your yeast. Make sure that dissolves nicely. Stir that through. Oh yes. Bucket. Our home brew. Get those raisins in there as well. Okay, that yeast is nicely dissolved. Alright. Seal. Kidding me. Oh, does that not fit? Oh, there we go. Right. Lid is on. Guys, okay. It's been a slight hiccup. What's the chances? I mean, there are hundreds of millions of these buckets around the world. What are the chances that a lid for the bucket just doesn't fit? What are the chances? The chances are 0. Okay, so but this lid doesn't fit. So I had to make a bit of a plan. So I'm actually going to duct tape this fucking lid to this bucket. Okay, and then we're going to put it into. Sorry, boy. Sorry. My boy's getting very upset by this. Shit. So close. Okay. Alright, so there. I'm just going to duct tape that lid onto it. Okay, so it's relatively tight fitting, and then we're going to let it gis a little bit more. Okay, there's it. Alright, from here, yo, come boy. From here, oh yeah baby, it's nice and warm there. We're just gonna close that up. Not even solid, it's a little bit of air. Okay, also what's important here, if this thing just starts to explode, it explodes inside the dishwasher. Hey boy, the boy's not worried. Guys, so there we have it. We're on the go. We'll be back in 24 hours. I'm going to post this first half of the story, and then we see how we go from there. Hold thumbs, everybody. Hey everybody, thanks for watching the video. You might wonder what we are doing on YouTube and why have we got this channel. And as you see, all of this happened during lockdown. COVID-19 is where this YouTube channel started, and one of the big things for me was to during this lockdown period, and especially being in the hospitality industry and owning a restaurant, was to be able to look after my team and my staff. And basically we have taken my book Mile 8, and all the sales and all the proceeds to the book, or from the book, go to our staff fund, which is pretty special. So you can go to the Marble website and you can purchase your book there. And I think that's just really where we are with this channel as well. I think whatever money is raised from this channel, obviously we need to cover for production costs and so forth of the channel itself, but majority of the proceeds will also then go to a fund, and that fund is going to be ongoing it'll be ongoing after COVID and everything else, because I think one of the biggest things that we realize is how vulnerable ourselves and our staff become in situations like this. So thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Tune in for the next one. Cheers, guys.